Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Guys, kagabi hindi ko na. How old are you? 7. Kagabi hindi ko na
I'm stuck on 6.
Ha?
I'm not stuck on 6 now.
Yes. Kagabi pa hindi ko na close yung vlog. Happy birthday to you. Later. Okay. Si Jan, hindi siya nag-work kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin kanina. Pero sabi niya, baka medyo late na siya alis. Mag-fishing. Tinatansya niya lang yung weather. Mag-pancakes yung mga bata. Kasi kuya magluluto ng breakfast niya. Nila. Morning, Zach. Did you greet your sister a happy birthday?
Did you? Give a hand kiss.
No.
Why not? Yeah, say it. Or you're not going.
Go where? The school, okay.
Greet your sister now. You too, Tom.
Well, happy birthday.
Go and say happy birthday and give a hug. Now. Hurry up. It's like a big brother.
That's right.
Oh, mate.
Happy birthday.
Like, hug mo daw. He's just hugging you. Say happy birthday. Uy, kuya.
I did. Happy birthday.
You're the boss.
Yay.
Do you wanna see it? Okay. Alright. Kain na yung dalawa. I get strawberries there, yeah. I don't want it.
Close. You get close. Yeah, other people does. I'll go get fruit box.
Yeah.
For when? Yeah. When did you get that? I don't know. Yeah, thank you. So you want icing sugar? Yeah.
Si kuya ang lagay ng syrup tsaka cream. And may icing sugar din sila. And may pa strawberries. Si kuya ayaw. Ayan na yung kanyang pancake. With strawberries. Si Sak gusto niya pang blow. Si Zach round 2 na siya. Hinihintay niya lang.
I'm having another.
I know.
Boss, can you please?
You want me to cut it? Yeah, alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tapos na sila mag-breakfast. And si Daddy sinasapatusan na ang kanyang only girl. The birthday girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, tulog pa sila, Mars. Alis na sila. See you, birthday girl. See you later.
I'll see you after.
Yeah. Don't forget your sandwich, Holly. Yeah. Kuya, Holly, your sandwich. See ya. And si Sak, ang kanyang baon na fruits ay banana at saka 2 apples. Love you.
Love you.
Please and end.
Is Holly not well?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I was going to do. I'm ready.
Are you ready?
That's what I was going to do. Take some chocolates.
Oh, you're gonna get chocolate. Kuhanin sa ng chocolate dun sa John. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, gagalawin na nila yung chocolate.
I'm going to take a twirl and caramel.
Caramello. See you, Baba. Okay, see you, Zach. Listen and learn. Okay. See ya. Ayan, magra-ride sila ng bike. Si Holly ayaw niya magpa-drop off. mag-ride din daw siya ng bike niya. Si kuya nauna na. Just like iti-take niya yung ano. Yeah, ilalagay niya yung bike doon ni Holly. Well done, Kuya Zach. Okay, hugasan ko lang yung mga pinagkainan nila and magluluto ako ng bacon and eggs. And eto, ready lang natin tong coffee machine natin para pagising nila Mars. Ready na siya. Kiniklin ko lang muna. Luto na ako ng bacon sa air fryer. 8:46 na. Yung middle bacon to. Ito pa lang, paper na to. Nabili ko to sa Shein noon. Yan yung ginagamit natin dito sa air fryer. Cappuccino kay Ben?
Kay Ben.
Okay.
Thank you.
No worries. To sugar ha?
Yes. Ako to sugar.
Okay.
Dapat nga mag-1 sugar na lang yan o no sugar.
And ito yung kay Harla tsaka kay Riker pancake. Etong coffee kay Mars na to. Yung kanya is latte yung kanya. And magto-toast ako ng bread para kay Ben. Si Mars ayaw niya magtinapay. Papainit na rin tayo ng pan para sa eggs. Ayan sila. Sabay. No, ayun nga, may charger. Charge mo muna dyan. Tanggalin mo yung battery. Ayan sila. Where's your breakfast, Ben?
Oh, you didn't have to.
Yes.
Goodness me, thank you.
This is yours.
I love bacon and eggs.
Ayan, yeah. Hiramin mo muna yan. So, usually, hindi ako nagbe-breakfast. Aalis kami. So, kainin ko na lang yung aking, ito na yung aking lunch. So, meron tayo ditong yung wrap na maliit lang. Tapos, avocado, spinach, and yung chili egg na may feta cheese. Patry ko kay Mercy to. Tortilla.
Tortilla. Na may avocado,
May avocado,
spinach.
oo.
And
Ano
nilagyan mo
siya?
rin cheese?
Feta cheese. Try mo.
May chili flakes.
Mag-ano na nga akong gagawa. Kasi tingnan mo, naubos ko na yung bote. Diba? Sarap. Sabi ko sa iyo, gagawa ulit ako kasi nasarapan yung isa. Oh. Paayaw-ayaw pa kasi eh. Ayan, natigman niya, masarap. Gagawin niya rin daw.
Tatay ko rin to sa bahay.
Kasi easy lang naman, tapos light lang. Healthy po. Kakain na din tayo. Hello, Sisi. Dito pala kami sa car nila.
Oo, drive na kami sa Blue Lake.
Dito tour kasi sa Blue Lake.
Tour niya ako sa Blue Lake.
And punta kami sa isa pang lake.
Can you see cows?
Tapos yung ano pa, second garden.
Stick garden yan. Scenic
Atin
garden.
naman ang
Si
itinerary
Ben,
natin.
gusto ni Ben dun sa likod. Ako pinaupo niya sa harap. Pero talaga.
Ayun na, Blue Lake catchment. Ano naman yun? Yun na yun?
First stop, Valley Lake. Andun na si Ben sa baba. Katsaka si Harley. Andun na, ayun na. Ang bilis ng dalawa. Doon na sila. Buti hindi umuulan. Dito na siya, oh. Saya-saya niya. Nakita niyo si Blue Lake. Nakalimutan yung mga bata. Dito na tayo siya. Tayo na siya dyan, nag-vlog. Nakalimutan yung mga bata sa car.
Looks blue to me.
Yeah, but in the summer, it's more prettier. Dito naman kami malapit. Magpa-picture sila dito. Dito kami sa Sinkhole Garden, guys. First time niya ulit, syempre. First time niya dito. Turista siya. Maganda dyan. Come on. Saan mo may mga bulaklak na? Okay, baba tayo dito sa sinkhole. Ayan siya, guys, dito sa sa taas. Ganyan yung view niya. Ayan si Mars. Ayan si Harley. Si Ben nandun sa car kasi si Riker matutulog. Ayan tayo sa baba. Harley! So, tapos na tayo dito. Ang ganda, maganda rin yung weather. Hindi ganong kalamig. Malamig pero hindi ganong kalamig tulad kahapon. Ay, ang ganda. Kasi may blue sky tayo. Hindi umulan.
Pwede bang pumasok?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Kailangan pala dito may tour kasi sold out na yung hanggang alas 12. Ito siya Dito na lang natin siya pa. Ayan siya, guys. Ingle Bridge Cave. Ayan.
Guided tours para siya. May coffee.
Ayan. Kailangan mo magpa-book. Hindi naman namin alam.
So, pwede?
Pwede pa. Magkano kaya? Tingnan natin. Yeah, tayo na magpa-book tayo. kami na yung tour sa cave na wala sa plano. Hindi namin tinapos kasi 45 minutes and bawal din mag-video. Pictures, pwede. So, insert ko na lang yung pictures. Pero ang ganda. Pero hindi namin tinapos kasi nga si Ben, tsaka yung mga bata nandito. Hiningal ako kasi kahit si Mars kasi ang taas. Ang ganda.
Oh my God.
Very
And
nice.
you've never been?
Never been.
It's stunning.
Yeah,
Oh
never
my
been
God.
there. Ang dami kasing cave namin dito. Pero eto, nandito lang to sa town.
You would never know looking at
No,
that there's
it's,
anything
yeah.
like it.
Na, dito dyan sa ilalim, guys. Ang ganda ng ilalim. I'm telling that the underground is beautiful.
Oh, that is stunning.
I know.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun. But it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.
Tapos na tayo sa cave. Dito naman tayo sa canola. Dito, ang dami namin napunta.
Puntahan, guys. May nakita kaming canola.
Oh, meron din doon.
Buti na lang may open na gate.
Canola field naman tayo, guys, after cave. After cave, canola. Ang dami talaga naming napunta today. Wala na talaga yung ano mo. Buti na lang may bukas na gate. Ang ganda. Ayan, guys, oh. Malapit lang dito. Nadadaanan to sa papunta ring bahay.
Trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
Wala kami sa Port Mac, guys. Coffee lang sila dito sa Hi! I didn't know you're working here. I bring my friends from Adelaide. They're from Adelaide. Yeah, they're going to Melbourne. So, yeah.
Ang ganda na ng view.
Ang ganda, diba? Sabi ko, ayan na yung ating hot chocolate and yung croissant. Ayan na lang yung natitira. Kay Mars, naubos niya na. Hindi niya na-vlog. Dito na kayo sa bahay. Ang birthday girl ko, naka-dress na. Bye, Kuya Sak. Hug. Hug. Hindi na po. High five, Kuya Sak. High five. Hug, bam. Peace, bam. Oh, good job.
And Ate Holly.
Paalam na sila. Late na sila alis. Si birthday girl ko, See ya! See ya! Sige. Hintayin kita. Bilis.
Bilis.
See ya!
Yeah.
Okay. See you, Ben. Have a nice trip. And thank you for coming. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon again. Yeah.
We could stay longer.
Yeah. See you, Tito Ben.
Stay longer next time.
Allah. Kanin, Auntie Mars. May pakas. Ale. Thank you, Tito Ben. Allah. Bye. Dito ako sa bay para i-drop off to si Kuya sa kanyang foodie training. Okay, see you. See you. And kasama natin si Holly. Binigyan siya ni Tito Mars ng $50. Bye, Kuya. Yun yung regalo ni Tita Mars sa kanya. Kasi hindi na kami nakapag-keyword kanina. Ayun na si Kuya. Drop off ko lang siya. Dito kami sa Tide Espresso Bar. Kung saan kami galing kanina nila. Bilang ko, close na ba? They're close. Bilang ko sana siyang ice cream. It's alright. Next time na lang. Tingnan mo yung aming nakasalubong dito sa kalsada si Zach. Humingi siya ng $2 and bumili ako ng thick and cream and binigyan tayo ni Jan ng lemon. Si Jung may-ari ng tindahan.
John gave me a free chocolate.
Because?
It's my birthday.
Binigyan siya ng chocolate. Hoy, ano na? Tama na, oy. I'm going home. I have to cook.
20?
Alright. I'm gonna...
10?
Hurry up!
20?
Bayad na tayo, guys. And si Sak, nakalikom siyang $3. Nakaharap siya ng coins doon sa car. Yes, baby, later. And sila Mars, papunta na sila ng... On the way na sila papunta sa Melbourne. So, yes. Okay, wait lang. Ngayon, magluluto na ako. Hindi tayo nakagawa ng cake ni Holly, pero mayroon nga tayong biniling ice cream cake kahapon sa Coles. So, wala tayong cake this year kasi nga medyo busy tayo ngayon. Pero sabi ko kay Holly, kung may gusto siyang i-invite na friends sa next Saturday, not this coming Saturday, next Saturday, pwede siyang magkaroon ng small party. Yung mag-invite lang siya kung sinong gusto niyang friends na i-invite. Magluluto pala ako ng carbonara ngayon. Yun yung handa ni Holly. Carbonara, mayroon tayong ice cream cake, may donuts tayo. And sinabihan namin si Mers na sana, bukas na lang siya ng maaga umalis. Pero gusto nilang makarating sa Melbourne na maaga bukas. So, mag-stay muna pala sila sa malapit sa Geelong bago ang Melbourne ngayong gabi. So, yeah. So, ngayon, magluluto ako ng carbonara. Para naman, meron tayong handa kay Holly sa kanyang 7th birthday. Nagpapakulo na pala ako ng tubig. And yung gagamitin natin is linguine. Si John pala, guys, nag-fishing siya late na. Kanina, mga 12. Hi, Ben! Hi, ayan na siya.
Birthday girl!
Nag-fish ka kaninang umaga, mga 11:30 na. So, late na siya nakauwi. 5 o'clock. Usually, kasi pag maaga siya nag-fishing, pag umalis siya mga 3 o'clock, ang dating niya niyan, 12, 11:30. Pero kanina kasi mahangin nung pagpunta niya ng bay na mga 2:30 or 3 o'clock, mahangin. So, hindi sila tumuloy. Yes, ha? Just one, please. Ang ganda ng weather natin ngayon. As in, marami kayo napunta ni Mars. Ang ganda ng mga napuntahan namin. Tapos, nag-picture-picture kayo. Insert ko yung mga pictures namin. Are you gonna pick him up now?
Oh, we finished on it.
Oh, di ba ka-drop off ko lang kay Kuya? Kasi yung training ni Kuya 4 o'clock. So, 5:10 na. So, mga 5:20 siguro. Tapos na yun si Kuya.
John?
Luto na yung ating pasta. Then, dito ko gagawin yung ating sauce, yung white sauce. And, ito yung nabili ko kahapon na traditional bacon piece. Hiwa-hiwa na siya, guys. So, para hindi na tayo mahirapan mag-hiwa ng bacon. And, ito, natanggal na rin yung kanyang bato. Pero yung kuko nandiyan pa rin. Ang tibay talaga ng aking, yung pandikit na galing sa salon mismo talaga. So, yung dalawa, yung pareho dito, yung index finger, wala na yung bato niya. So, linagyan ko lang ng band-aid para hindi siya sumabit. So, yan. Magluto na ako ng sauce. So, ito na pala yung white sauce para sa ating carbonara. Ayan. Anong oras na ba? 6:20 na. Ayan, na-mix ko na yung ating white sauce sa ating pasta. And, yeah. Yan yung ating carbonara. And, nilabas ko na rin yung ating party cake na ice cream. What are you doing now? I think the round one not here. The big one, the new one. Yeah.
Get that one. First, get that one.
Taking the taxman for a ride. Next online news like businesses offering popular useful company cards are in the sites at the ATO. And the baby bassinets which have failed the safety test. Maybe. I'm gonna have to force it. Lay with me. Oh, thank you. You're in charge. And on the fourth day, the Lord created Amen. Easy low rate car loan with no monthly fees.
For the bread.
Car emissions for the term of the loan, no extra cost. If you hold up and the plan, see please hurry you get a low rate car loan.
Unlike the 97 model, the all-new Honda CR-V does not come with a picnic table. But it does come with heaps of space.
No, the white one. And the place for this. And then fork. Tinutulungan tayo ni Sak mag-set up ng table. Ayan. Ayan yung ating munting handa sa 7th birthday ni Holly. Ayan yung cake niya. Hindi naman namin yan mauubos. Yung cupcake, tsaka donuts. We'll see. It's Holly. Okay, call your sister. Go to it. Say, come on, Baba.
Holly!
Ready?
You can sit wherever you want, okay? Where do you want to sit? Dad, say, take it.
Sit, Baba.
How are you going to say in the seat? Keep on. Keep on. I'm sitting in my seat.
So you can sit that one, stay there.
You can sit there.
Close your eyes. Let it go. Close your eyes, Holly.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, darling.
Happy birthday!
Ice cream cake.
Yeah, that's ice cream cake. Thank you, Zach. Okay, let's eat.
You wanna
Yeah, we're gonna put that in the fridge.
freezer?
Yeah, freezer. Okay, we're gonna sing first.
Look at that. Dad, look at this.
We're gonna sing first.
Dad, we already got one.
Yeah, so Zach's got already.
Dad, no. I saw that in the fridge and I knew.
Did you? Are you happy with your... Not that one yet, I got the tongs.
That's birthday.
Put it back, Zach. Alright, please, mate. Put this back in the fridge before it melts.
You're welcome. And Kuya Zach helps me.
Thank you, Dad.
Okay, let's go there all together. Come on, Kuya. Kuya. Go there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing happy birthday. Here,
Happy
Zach.
birthday, Hollywood.
One, here. Come here, Zach. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holly. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Make a wish. Make a wish.
Go.
Yay! Happy birthday, Baba.
Yeah.
So, Han, can you, I'm gonna take a photo. Good job, okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna put that in the freezer. Lalagay muna natin sa freezer itong ating ice cream cake.
What's wrong?
Huge. Okay. Mom, can you please give me a fork?
Okay, wait, Papa.
Zach, you got
I give them yellow donuts. I get to give you the donuts.
Give that one.
The carrot pasta.
Should put this, Baba?
Dad, can you get me some? Can you give me like that?
Okay, say kain. Kain.
Bye.
Did you try it?
Just give me that.
Nakita niyo ba yung handa niya,
Yeah,
guys?
that'll be enough for now.
Meron tayong bread and lots of donuts.
Other ankle, Dad.
Ayan.
Dad.
What do you think, Sak?
Thanks, Mom.
Good? You're welcome, babe. Oh, don't worry, Baba.
Acting good.
Oh, thank you, Sak.
That one I did in the gym.
Try it, Han.
I gotta ask you, was it a mistake to re-sign Kim Italy before you went out to straight test?
After the dinner, I get to open my present.
Yeah, I have something there for you.
Dad got me a gift.
Good? Yeah. Alright. So, nag-butter din ako ng bread. Kasi yan yung partner niyan. Wala kasi tayong garlic bread. So, yan yung ating 7th birthday for Holly.
Dad, I'm not saying you coat. I don't even know what it looks like too. I don't even know what it looks like.
Blueberry muffin.
Well, I have to put it here anyway.
See to follow Will Hoskin Elliott wherever he goes. The opportunity to tackle his old side for responding to the side of
Is it that goes fine?
not for a late season move to defend.
Back into last year, just to
GWS won't do it.
Yeah, they make it the grand final when Blues get lost last time.
I'll be in there tomorrow and chat. Yeah, you play. Yeah, half back.
I didn't make it in the finals last year.
Among the Scaff Giants forward line set to ramp up the pressure with a view to silencing the 90,000 strong Maypie crowd.
Kuya, like it?
If I ever see Tony Grant, I didn't play with him a lot.
Adam Kingsley determined to learn from their round 9 clash.
Well, written by.
Chocolate.
Remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach. And one thing you said was, listen, I will have your back always. And now we're grown up, I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your word.
So, tapos na kaming kumain, guys. And yung isa excited na para
It was so good. And now we get to open my presents.
Yes.
And then have the birthday cake. And you got me good stuff with
So, yan lang yung nakain na donuts. Si Jan, magbabound daw siya bukas. Tapos, yung mga bata. And yung ating cupcakes, hindi nagalaw. Kasi sobrang busog na sila. And kakain daw sila ng ice cream cake. So, bukas, ito yung baon ni Jan din. Gusto ni Jan nito. At saka yung mga bata.
Mommy, what?
So, nilalagay ko na sa aluminum foil yung babaunin ng mga bata. Ito raw yung kay Sak. Si Kuya din gusto niya yung yellow. Kay Jan, chocolate. Lagay ko lang siya sa foil. Tapos na ako magugas. And nalinis ko na dito. And dito. And dun sa dining. Nalinis na natin. So, time na para ibigay natin yung regalo natin kay Holly. Kasi kanina pa siya naghihintay. Busog pa yung mga bata para sa ating ice cream cake. Kasi nag-donut sila. So, bigay ko na yung regalo natin kay Holly kasi naghihintay siya. And si Jan gusto niya na rin matulog kasi maaga pa siya bukas.
Let's rip it up.
That's what?
Rip it up.
Hey, what? Whip, share,
Bubble.
fine.
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
God! No, you're joking. This is all yours.
Yeah, that's all yours. And eto, in-order ko to. Galing pa to sa US. Yung website niya. Sa website to, nakalimutan ko lang. Pag naalala ko, ilalagay ko siya. Kasi si Holly, mahilig siyang gayahin kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa bathroom. So, eto para sa kanya, para safe. So, si Holly mag-unbox. Another one. Another one.
Who's this from?
Wait,
From us. From Mom and Daddy.
that's heavy.
That's from... That's for your face, Baba. Skincare. That's your first skincare. It's safe for you. I don't know. Open it. Skincare siya, guys, na pang bata.
Drink bottle.
Yeah, water bottle. Open this one. Ayan yung... Lagay ko na lang yung brand niya, guys. Ano siya? Soap. Tapos, cream. Para sa mukha. Pwede yung pang baby din.
What is it?
So, one day, mag-skincare siya. Open it. Cleansing foam. That's cleansing foam. So, that is sunscreen, Baba. You like it?
Because I always want to do makeup.
I know, kasi lagi niya nakikita yung mga makeup ko. Gustong-gusto niyang i-try.
Birthday doll.
Yeah, good.
Eto yung brand.
Have a kiss then. Thanks, Dad.
Yung ano siya, Ever Eden, New York. You're welcome, Baba. You're so happy.
All of this makeup. I love makeup.
I know you do. So, mayroon siyang sunscreen. Ito yung, ano to, Kids Multivitamin Face Wash. Ayan siya. Pangbata talaga siya, guys. Pwede nga din to sa baby daw eh. Kasi, naghanap ako ng magandang para sa kanyang mukha. Kasi, ginagaya niya nga ako. Marami siyang nasasayang na tissue, binabasa niya, tapos ina-apply niya sa mukha niya. So, ngayon, meron na siyang sarili. And meron din siyang lip balm.
Use it with.
I have brushes there, Baba. And, ito yung face cream for kids, multivitamin. Ayan, ang saya-saya yun sa kanyang makeup. Where's the sunscreen, Baba? There. And meron din siyang sunscreen. So, every morning and night, gagamitin niya to. So, yan yung kanyang first skincare. Pinakaunang skincare.
You're the best. This is my best.
Always the best, Baba, every year. You think so? Yeah. But you like makeup. That's why.
I love makeup.
Gusto ko maghanap ng makeup na pangbata. Yung ano talaga, hindi yung mga Kmart. Yung maganda. Sana eto, maglabas sila. Kasi maganda yung mga review dito sa Ever Eden na to. Ayan, nagbaba may bath. For your bath.
Bubble.
Yeah.
Smells good.
We're gonna close the vlog na, guys. Yun na yung ating vlog.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. And Mom, you get to create lip gloss.
Yeah, you have 5.
Because I went.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Next birthday, Kuya. Okay, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next. Yeah, on your next. Next. Next vlog. Oh my God. Okay, good night, guys. Matulog na yan si Jan. Good night. Good night, yeah. Good night. Busog na busog si Jan.
We have cake now.
Ah, you still gonna have cake? Ahan, can you get the ice cream cake, please? Let me see. See? Nice. Mag-ice cream na raw sila. Mag-ice cream cake. Di ba na good night na tayo?
Oh, good night, guys.
Pero mag-cake muna siya. Si Sak, bukas na lang daw siya.
Do you want to see my lipstick?
Masarap to kasi strawberry cake. Tapos may chocolate. Here, Baba.
Yes! Okay. Okay.
Just a little bit. Oh, wow! You put it really good, Baba. Let me see. Ayan yung matte.
I like putting lipstick on. So if
Yeah.
it gives me something, I put it on.
Matte lipstick niya. Oh.
It's like yours.
Yeah, good. Alright. Eat your ice. You want some too, Sak? Oh, pabago-bagang isip niya. So, yung kay Saki bye. Okay, guys. Good night. Sak, Kuya, how about you? No, thanks. Alright.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.